Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2025, the best of the best when it comes to performance, build quality, and that satisfying thought we all love. Whether you're gaming, coding, or just typing away for hours, these keyboards are changing the game this year. We've tested a ton, and these 5 truly stood out. From next-gen switches to wireless innovations, we've got something for everyone. So hit that like button, subscribe if you love clean setups and satisfying clicks, and let's get into it. Number 5. Lofree Flow 84. The Lofree Flow 84 is a standout low-profile mechanical keyboard that perfectly blends minimalist aesthetics with a premium typing experience. Built with a solid aluminum frame and equipped with KLPOM low-profile switches, it offers a smooth and satisfying keystroke feel that rivals traditional full-height mechanical boards. The gasket-mounted design adds a soft, cushioned bounce that enhances comfort during long typing sessions, while the die-sublimated PBT keycaps ensure excellent durability and resistance to shine. Its compact 75% layout retains essential functionality, including arrow keys and a function row, without wasting desk space. Whether you're working in the office or editing from a cafe, the Flow 84's sleek form factor and whisper-quiet operation make it an ideal choice for modern professionals. Functionality-wise, the Flow 84 features tri-mode connectivity, including Bluetooth support for up to 3 devices and a wired USB-C option, giving it solid versatility for multitasks. However, it's worth noting that it lacks a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, which some gamers and power users might miss. Battery life is modest at around 40 hours without backlighting, decent, but not exceptional. Another downside is the absence of companion software for key remapping or macro customization, limiting its appeal for users who want more control. Still, the overall build quality, sleek design, and enjoyable typing experience make the Lofree Flow 84 a compelling choice. It's particularly great for those who value portability and refined style without compromising the mechanical feel. A stylish, well-built keyboard that turns heads and delivers where it counts. Number 4. Keychron V1 Max QMK. The Keychron V1 Max QMK is a mechanical keyboard that delivers a near-perfect blend of customization, wireless freedom, and enthusiast-level typing comfort, without the typical price tag of high-end boards. Right out of the box, it impresses with a solid polycarbonate build, double-shot PBT keycaps, and a gasket-mounted design that gives it a softer, quieter keystroke feel. Its 75% layout strikes a sweet balance between compactness and functionality, retaining essential keys like arrows and F-row without wasting space. The inclusion of both VIA and QMK support is a game-changer for tinkerers, allowing users to remap keys, customize macros, and even tweak lighting profiles with precision. And for Mac users, Keychron continues its tradition of seamless compatibility, offering easy OS switching. Where the V1 Max QMK really stands out is its wireless performance and typing experience. Featuring both Bluetooth 5.1 and a 2.4 GHz low-latency connection via the included dongle, it's versatile enough for gamers and office users alike. The polling rate goes up to 1000 Hz on 2.4 GHz, making input response incredibly fast and reliable. Inside, the PCB supports hot swapping, letting you experiment with different switch types without soldering. And thanks to its internal sound dampening foam and south-facing RGB LEDs, it looks and feels premium during long typing sessions. Whether you're new to mechanical keyboards or a seasoned enthusiast, the Keychron V1 Max QMK hits a sweet spot: modern features, thoughtful design, and top-tier customization at an affordable price. It's arguably one of the best in its class right now. Number 3. MCHOSE GX87 Ultra. The MCHOSE GX87 Ultra is a premium 80% mechanical keyboard that blends enthusiast-level features with a surprisingly reasonable price tag. Built from CNC Machine 6063 aluminum, it offers a hefty and solid build that feels incredibly well-crafted. The weight not only gives it a premium presence on the desk but also helps dampen vibrations for a better sound profile. With a gasket-mounted structure and multiple layers of Poron and IXP foam, the keyboard delivers a soft, bouncy typing feel with a pleasant "thock" sound. The pre-installed KKT vintage white linear switches are smooth and responsive, making them ideal for both typing and gaming. The plate-mounted stabilizers come well lubed out of the box and provide a satisfying keystroke experience with minimal rattle. The keyboard's factory tuning is excellent, giving even newcomers to custom mechanical keyboards a top-tier experience right away. In terms of performance and versatility, the GX87 Ultra truly excels. It supports triple-mode connectivity, USB-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, allowing seamless switching between multiple devices. With a massive 8000 mAh battery, you can go weeks without needing a recharge, even with RGB lighting enabled. The keyboard supports hot-swappable switches and VIA/QMK compatibility, making it easy to customize layouts or key functions without extra software. The RGB lighting is bright and vibrant, featuring a range of dynamic effects that add to the keyboard's visual appeal. While the design may lean toward a minimalist aesthetic, the build quality and feature set make it a standout option. Whether you're a gamer, coder, or mechanical keyboard enthusiast, the MCHOSE GX87 Ultra delivers an exceptional experience that rivals more expensive custom boards. Number 2. Razer BlackWidow V4 75%. The Razer BlackWidow V4 75% is a compact mechanical gaming keyboard that strikes an excellent balance between performance and aesthetics. With its 75% layout, it keeps essential keys while ditching the excess, giving gamers and streamers more desk space without sacrificing functionality. One of its standout features is the hot-swappable switches, a first for the BlackWidow line, allowing users to easily replace or upgrade their switches without soldering. It comes pre-installed with Razer's orange tactile mechanical switches, which deliver a satisfying keystroke that's both responsive and quiet. The aluminum top plate gives the keyboard a premium build quality, and the multifunction media dial combined with dedicated macro keys adds versatility for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're into competitive gaming or content creation, the V4 75% adapts smoothly to your needs. What truly elevates the experience is Razer's attention to RGB lighting and software integration. With full chroma RGB support, the lighting is immersive and vibrant, syncing effortlessly with other Razer peripherals. Each key is individually lit, and the keyboard includes underglow RGB for that extra visual flair. Using Razer Synapse, you can program macros, adjust lighting profiles, and remap keys, all with an intuitive interface. The included wrist rest, although not magnetic, adds comfort for extended gaming sessions. While the price may be on the premium side, the BlackWidow V4 75% justifies it with top-tier build quality, modularity, and customization. It's a dream keyboard for those wanting a high-performance compact layout with all the bells and whistles. Number 1. Keychron Q6 The Keychron Q6 is a premium full-size keyboard that blends enthusiast-level features with cutting-edge magnetic switch technology. At first glance, its CNC machined aluminum body immediately gives off a solid, high-end feel. This thing is built like a tank. But what truly sets the Q6 apart is its Hall-effect magnetic switches, enabling rapid actuation, customizable actuation points, and even analog input capabilities. It's a dream for gamers and productivity power users alike, offering buttery-smooth keystrokes and an ultra-responsive typing experience. With VIA/QMK support, every key is remappable, and layers can be finely tuned to suit individual workflows, whether you're editing, coding, or gaming. The south-facing RGB lighting adds a soft ambient glow that looks great without being overbearing. What makes the Keychron Q6 particularly versatile is its hot-swappable switch system and full programmability. Users can experiment with actuation depths, create dual-function keys, or even assign joystick-like analog controls for gaming, something rarely seen on full-size keyboards. Sound-wise, it's impressively refined thanks to multiple layers of sound-dampening foam, a gasket-mounted design, and factory-lubed stabilizers. Typing feels satisfying and deep, with very little ping or rattle. While the keyboard is on the heavier side and leans toward the enthusiast price range, it's a justified investment for anyone who values premium build, advanced switch technology, and customizability. The Q6 isn't just another mechanical keyboard, it's a precision tool for serious users who want both feel and function. Alright fam, that wraps up today's review. If you found your next favorite keyboard or just enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on the next drop. Got a keyboard you think should have made the list? Sound off in the comments. I read them all. Till next time, keep typing smooth and stay crispy. Peace.